Yo guys, what's up, man? Welcome back to another YouTube channel. It's been a month without me uploading. I've been busy, unfortunately, with personal stuff, but I'm back, yo. I'm back. In today's video, like it says down in the description, is gonna be a flyby but remake, because last video I was analyzing the video quality and the audio was kind of off. So I want to remake it, and I've been testing the waters with music, different side effects and all that, but hopefully this is gonna be a slight better though. I got you. All right, let's do a freaking cold start on this, bro. Oh man, that sounds nasty, bro. Look at it. Look at this ripped up. Oh shit! Before I end this video, I want to thank you guys for 15 subscribers on this YouTube channel. I can't be more thankful enough for this. I didn't think I was gonna get 15, yo. Some of you it might be a little, but to me it's a lot, yo. It's a pretty big accomplishment, and hopefully I could grow this channel. And thank you guys for tuning in. So before I end this video, please share, subscribe, and like the video, and I'll see you guys next time.